Now I'm gonna make a closing slide, so I select this slide and duplicate it with Ctrl and D. Then I select all the objects on it and delete them. So now I have only this dark red background. So I've made this slide just to make a nice closing for this intro from the slide number 1. And to actually do this, I go to Transitions and choose Fly Through. I then uncheck on mouse click and check after 0 seconds. I go to the first slide and leave it as it is, none, but uncheck on mouse click and check after 0 seconds. Then I look here to see when the last animation ends and see it ends after 1.5 seconds. So I make here, for example, 3 seconds, so that this slide will advance after all the animations finished in 1.5 seconds. Then we'll stay just a little on the screen, and after that will happen the next transition to the next slide. Let me select the first slide and see what we've done. I click here on the slideshow button. Okay, it looks pretty well, but after the second slide the show finished abruptly, so I'll give it here at the second slide 2 more seconds, so that it doesn't finish so abruptly. And I return to the first slide to also add some sound in the background of this intro. I go to Insert, then Audio, Audio on my PC, and choose this short audio file that you find also in the resources file. Let me drag this icon here to not interfere with the other objects. Here you can see the animation in the end of the other ones. So if I go to the Animations tab, you see that the audio's animation is placed here in the end. And if I click on Playback and Play in Background, now you can see that animation that was the last one was automatically placed in the beginning of them all. Okay, then I uncheck Loop Until Stopped, and that's it. We finally finished this intro. Now it has also some music in the background. Let's see how all looks. I press the slideshow button, and here is how it looks. Okay, here this lecture ends, where you've learned to make a nice sliding text and logo intro that, although looks simple at the first sight, in reality is kind of more to it to be done. We'll meet again in the next video.